Okay, Rivers of America now. On the Mark Twain.
We should go there, shouldn't we?
Hopefully. Look at that beauty. Hi Caroline.
Hi.
We panicked, we thought everyone was going to be running up to the top deck, but apparently everyone sits down there on comfy seats. So I think the whole idea of this is we're going to be going around the river, and I'm guessing there's going to be different parts of America on the stop. If not, then it's just a nice boat ride. You go past certain parts of America's history. No idea.
Hold on to your hats.
If you look just yonder, over there, it looks like Star Wars Land is being built. And there's a little metal construction over there. Interesting. Yeah, they're building the Millennium Falcon and everything.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just a dream. Oh, the
Thanks for choosing my favorite color.
From London, England.
Oh, how wonderful. Hello. So nice to see you today. Who have you brought with you today? This is
Sean.
Hello, very nice to meet you.
Oh, sorry, it does count.
London.
Oh goodness, that was quite the swim, wasn't it? Your legs are probably exhausted.
On Caroline's top.
Yes.
You have the wheelchair. Oh my goodness. So thrilled. And you have multiple of them too. I see a couple.
Yes.
Oh, he would be so happy. You know, Flounder loves seeing his reflection everywhere. He even says that his favorite colors are yellow and blue because those are the colors of himself. He's a bit silly, isn't he? Wonderful. What's your name? Caroline. What's your name?
Sean.
Hello, Sean.
Hello.
Are you two celebrating anything?
Yeah, we're on a honeymoon.
Are you really?
Yes.
Wonderful. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, how special.
So after Caroline's traumatic experiences sort of talking to characters without masks, we are now going to be going on Splash Mountain. How was your experience talking with the princesses?
Alright.
Did you love it?
It's a bit awkward, but fine, that's right.
Oh good. Okay, Splash Mountain time. We made a terrible decision. First of all, we went on to the ride and the GoPro was dead, and I sat at the front, which meant I weighed the entire thing down and soaked everyone. Lol.
Feet are drenched.
I was saying, it was like someone threw water from above. Joy. Look at Caroline. My nose is cold and my tail is froze.
It's not cold there, I guess, it's just...
We've just got ourselves a coffee. Oh, I wanted to show you this. This is a petrified tree. Right here. This lives near the Rivers of America, just opposite the Golden Horseshoe, sorry. But this was a gift to Lillian Disney. This is a gift from Walt Disney to Lillian Disney on their wedding anniversary. And she donated it to the park. Petrified tree. How fascinating.
Everybody up there on the dock. So long, everybody. Take care. See you later. And welcome aboard the world famous Jungle Cruise! Woo! Chance of ever knowing what's beyond the riverbed. Hippos, obviously. I mean, look at this. They're wiggling their ears. They're blowing bubbles. These two at the end are going to try to charge the boat. Everybody cover your ears real quick. I'm going to scare them off like I did my last girlfriend. I love you! I want a commitment! Well, if it's any consolation, here we are, my favorite part of the trip. That's right, it's the one, the only, the beautiful, the backside of water!
Hello! It is 6 p.m. and we are back in our hotel room, as you can see. We've come back for dinner. We went around the corner to a Mediterranean restaurant cafe and we've got a falafel wrap each. And yeah, we're gonna have some dinner and then we're gonna go out to the park again after we've eaten, I guess, after Sean's had a shower because he's sticky with the Splash Mountain water because we got absolutely drenched. We went, it's been really hot today. Sean actually got sunburnt because he doesn't put sun cream on when I tell him to. And it's been boiling hot, and so we put a fast pass down for Splash Mountain. Went on Splash Mountain about 4 o'clock, came off of Splash Mountain absolutely drenched, as you would have seen, and then we realised that the sun had gone in about 4 o'clock, so it was freezing cold, and so we didn't get dry, and so we've just come back and got changed back into pyjamas. I put my Buffy Vampire t-shirt, and then we're going to get dressed up again, warm clothes will be put on to go out and see Fantasmic at 10:30. Although I'm slightly worried because we didn't get a fast pass for Fantasmic, and so I'm hoping that we'll be able to actually get a decent spot where we can see it.
I'm sure we will. Hi.
Look at these glowing reds because he doesn't wear sun cream and he should. Oh, this is the food. Ketchup. That's ketchup. This is tahini.
Oh, that's hummus.
Oh, it's hummus. Of course it is. Very runny hummus. And this is the falafel wrap. Both have the same thing. They gave us all these sachets. Yes.
California needs to invest in some biodegradable packaging for their takeaway.
Yeah. Something that's a bugbear of mine at Disney, that's really annoying, is the lack of recycling / reducing plastic intake in the park. It does, when you come out of Splash Mountain, it has a whole thing about saying reduce, reuse, recycle. That's to recycle the Ziploc bags they give you for your electronics. And then on Pixar Pier they have a big poster up for Finding Dory which says keep our pier clean, and it's like keeping plastic out of the river. But yet they still give out plastic straws with every meal, plastic cutlery with all the quick service type meals. Oh, like, come on, Disney, you should be ahead of the game. Get rid of all this silly plastic stuff and start using paper, compostable stuff. It's not hard, it's really quite easy. And the amount of money they make, it's not like they can't afford to use compostable cutlery instead of plastic. Maybe one day. And the constant plastic bags. They give you a plastic bag before you have a chance to turn them down. I do have bags in my bag. And straws in my bag. And I'm reusing cutlery. Anyway, I'm gonna eat. Wake up.
So, just like that, we're back in the parks. I'm showered. I feel a lot better after being drenched with Splash Mountain water. We are gonna go to Disneyland Park in a minute, but first we're gonna go to downtown Disney. Oh, it is very windy tonight. We are going to watch Fantasmic at 10:30 tonight. There's a show at 9:30, so we're hoping everyone goes to that and we have the show to ourselves, because that'd be great. We found the shop we didn't even know we were looking for. I want it all. It's to put in your sink.
How much would you pay for that?
I don't know how much is it.
How much would you think?
It's about £10.
Now have a look, see.
£22.99. I was nearly there.
For a plug.
Disney Home was a bit rubbish. So now we're at Lego. Wow. Oh yeah. Dun, 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 dun. To monorail.
Where the monorail started. Seen it anywhere in the parks.
It starts in downtown Disney. Are we on the right side? Doesn't smell great on here.
Lowest is the Submarine Lagoon, where you can dive into a fantastic underwater adventure aboard the Finding Nemo submarine voyage.
Handrails all the way down and pull us all the way to space.
We are going on Peter Pan's flight. Caroline's favourite. We were meant to be watching Fantasmic, but it got cancelled. So much like everyone in Disneyland, we've decided to come on this flight. Here she is.
Come on, everybody, here we go!
Oh, she looks nice. So, we were just going to go to bed. Well, not really. We're still getting ready for bed because we just had to write some postcards. But we forgot, we never showed you the pins. So, we're going to show you them now. Then we're going to go to bed. Then we'll see you tomorrow. We, as you would have seen earlier, the Fantasmic show was cancelled because all of a sudden California is the windiest state in all of America. And yeah, we looked around a few shops with the intention of them being amazing, but we had a conversation coming back and we feel like we've bought a lot of things in Walt Disney World, so there's kind of there's a lot of repeat things in California, so we just probably won't be spending our money, which is great. More money to spend in Las Vegas. Hidden Mickey mystery pouch contains 2 randomly assorted pins. I don't know why they bother changing the packaging for them if they're randomly assorted pins.
Whoop. First one is this. Oh, it's an elephant from Jungle Book.
Oh, you like this one? What's his name?
I can't remember. I do have it somewhere. I don't know if I'll keep that though. It's a nice pin, but the next one is
a tradable.
Yeah, that's rubbish. Okay, so the first pin in this one is a purple Mickey Mouse.
Tradable.
Yeah. And the last one is another rubbish one. They are awful pins. No offence to anyone. That's the best one I've seen. Oh well, 4 to trade. Look a bit shiny because I've got my facial oil on. But yes, see you tomorrow for our final day in Disney.
Sad. Beautiful.
All right, Gerald,
Hi, Gerald. Gerald, are they feeding you well? Uh-huh.